Hello friends, if you want to learn how to make a slide like this, watch this video till the end. Open PowerPoint. Click Blank's Presentation. Click Home and change Layout to Blank. Press and hold Ctrl key and scroll mouse wheel to adjust its size. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Choose a rectangle shape and drag it over the slide to cover the entire area. Click Shape Format. Change the fill color to a darker white. Set the shape outline to no outline. Go to Insert, select Shapes and choose a text box. Drag the text box to the desired location and type "Thank you." Select Text, go to Home and increase its size as you need it. Adjust text position to center. And choose your favorite font style. And add a final text box. Go to Home and choose Text Box. And drag it desired location. And write some words of your choice. Select Text, go to Home and increase its spacing as you need it. And adjust text position to center. Make it bold and italic to look good. And increase the size as needed. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both texts. Click Shape Format. Go to Merge Shape and click Subtract. Insert Pictures, go to Insert, select Pictures and choose from where you want to select. So I want Stock Picture. Click on your favorite picture and click Insert. Adjust its size as needed position. Right-click on it and click on Send to Back. Insert the second picture using the same method. Adjust its size as needed position. Drag it right side, ensuring it aligns with the first picture. Go to Insert, select Shapes and draw a rectangle. Change the fill color to black. Set outline to no outline. And drag it here. Adjust the second picture with it. Go to Animations, click drop-down list. In Motion Paths, click on Lines. Click Effect option and choose Left. Select arrow and drag it over the first picture. Right-click on it and click Send to Backward. Now check your slide. Go to Slideshow and click from Beginning. And press any one key. So how was today's video? We'll definitely tell by commenting. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to the channel.